Good morning, Colin with Buffalo Dent Repair, back with another one. Today I've got a Jaguar, really nice car here with a pretty good dent in the door that goes through the top of the body line and actually has another dent down in the middle of the door, most likely where the brace is. I'll turn around, we're gonna pan through it, I'll show you what the dent is and again what my setup is. There is the dent. The majority of that dent is through that body line with a nice crown up at the top. You see where it comes to a peak right here. There's a lot of pressure tied up in there. And then down below, we've got another dent down in there. Now, the reason that makes me think that that is where the brace is, there's crash braces that run through this door, and the middle of the door can be pretty flimsy. So if you get hit on it, a lot of times it's just gonna bounce and come right back. But if you get hit where the brace is, that is actually glued the outer skin to a brace. It's a lot more prone to being damaged. But shouldn't be a problem. We're gonna get it all cleaned up, get this Jaguar back looking good. Okay, I'll finish up with this Jaguar. This is a fun dent to do. Nice to get these back looking good. This is a really nice car, so to see a big dent like that in it was really a shame. So let me flip it around, I'll show you what we got afterwards. There it is. You see that this dent is gone. As you saw before, there was a lot of pressure locked up in the top of that dent, but we were able to get out really good. Got that one down on the bottom and got this Jaguar back like it never had a dent. So another one bites the dust. This customer's gonna be really happy with this. This is exactly what they were looking for this lease Jaguar. And again, real pleasure to be able to fix stuff like this, to have a nice car and a dent that you know you can get back looking really good, and to save it from the body shop, from having to paint, and just everything that goes along with stripping this down, sanding it, repainting, the time, saving the factory paint, just everything. All the benefits are there for doing paintless dent repair. This is a perfect candidate for it. So hope you enjoyed, and we're on to the next one.